In the last 10,000 years, this unusually stable climate has allowed the rise of civilizations and provided a home to 7 billion people. But the climate systems we depend on are becoming unstable. The atmosphere is warming at an alarming rate. And from the Amazon rainforest to the frozen tundra, our stable climate is heading towards tipping points. Scientists in groundbreaking research all over the world are trying to determine whether one small change in our oceans, ice sheets, or forests can tip the balance and change our world forever, inevitably, irreversibly. But how concerned should we be?
My name is Bernice Notenboom. I'm a climate journalist and adventurer. I've climbed Everest, walked to the poles, and seen for myself dramatic changes due to climate change. Now, I'm on an expedition from the Himalayas to India to find out why scientists are so concerned about freshwater security and the unpredictable Asian monsoon, which threatens the lives of over 1 billion people.
The mighty Himalayas, the rooftop of the world, the source of fresh water for over 1 billion people. Huge glacier river systems form here and begin their journey across India to the sea. One of the most vital river systems is the holy Ganges. This river is as important to India as the Mississippi is to America. But a warming climate system is threatening the very source of India's critical rivers. People gather every evening at dusk to perform a special candle ceremony called Ganga Aarti to express respect for the Ganges.
This one is from Ma Ganga, mother of the Ganges, that it always may flow down to the sea.
But will the mighty Ganges always flow to the sea? That depends on two things: the Asian monsoon and what happens in the north, thousands of feet above this fertile river plain. Here in India, the most vital and basic element of survival, fresh water, is now under threat.
Kathmandu is the gateway to the great Himalaya mountains. There's 65,000 glaciers up there, and most of them are melting due to climate change. I'm going on an expedition with researchers to understand what the impact of these melting glaciers will have on all the people of Asia.
Bernice is flying up to the Himalayas to meet a team of scientists. They're making detailed recordings of glacier melt changes around the Annapurna Basin in Nepal. The highest mountain range on Earth, the Himalayas, a spectacular sight that holds half of the world's fresh water. But they're also known as one of the world's most sensitive hotspots due to global climate change. Here, glacier melt is intensifying, but exactly how fast and how much is what scientists are trying to predict.